are going to make right now a pretty good glider airplane.
It's a really good glider.
So, first take both corners and fold it like any normal other airplane.
Crease it.
Crease it. Then, after you do this, flip it over. And fold the triangle you made with the two corners back. So the triangle will be on top of the rectangle, like this. Then, take the nose of the triangle and fold it up. After you crease it well, fold it outside again. Take the corner and fold it in.
Easy. His fame, his success, his band, how superficial. They're going to see right through it. Really. What will his mystery moments that she loves about him?
After that, take the other corner and do the same.
But what is someone saying? He lifts his hair on his eyes. And he grins when he's nervous. And his heart.
After that, just fold the triangle up again.
So can you show?
Well, it looks
Okay, that's so. Can you move your hand for a second? So it should look like that. And you're done with that step.
After that, turn it over and fold it.
Who are you? I'm the C. Lisa, blogger, Jonas Bank president, and as of today, the owner of a very rare famous sky photo.
Okay, after that, you make the wings. So fold it down to the line.
My neighbor, you a photo? Where did you get that? From my newest fan club member.
Can I see that?
So the finished product from the top,
Okay, that's good.
The only headline out from this photo from being released is
wings in.
u.s.a breaks up with Joe.
There.
Okay, can we see
Now-
how it flies?
See how it flies? No, don't. My head. Okay. There is where we will be flying. Ready? Set.
I better hurry if I want to be the first to post about your breakup.
So,
Got it?
do you really like
Amazing.
about me?
Okay,
I would have.
but it doesn't matter how his throws. It matters how yours throws. Go out and get a nice piece of paper, maybe from a printer, and try this at home, folks. Thanks. Please subscribe, comment, and rate.